my friends, welcome back. This is Simona Cochi, the Italian Way. Welcome into this landscape of colorful words. Because in today's digital age, language paints vivid pictures across social media. And so today we're going to dive into the kaleidoscopic world of digital communication, where words become cultural ambassadors. Hashtags nowadays turn into national anthems, amplifying messages across different platforms. We are about to explore how creative language resonates like thousands of retweets. So, the Italian team has just launched and spread a linguistic phenomenon during the Americans Cup. So the Italian team captivates not only with performance but also with colorful language during competition. Their passionate language provides insight into Italian culture and the high-stakes world of sailing. You might ask, but why Simona focus on sailors wearing? Oh, no, it's just more than a shock value. It's a window into Italian culture, psychology, and language evolution in the digital era. There are also important academic justifications. For instance, the aspect of the social linguistics language most of the time reflects team dynamics and social interaction in sailing. There is also to understand how it works, the pragmatics. These expressions serve vital communication roles under pressure. Then we have language evolution, how social media amplifies and adapt language. And then we have also the academic aspect related to the cross-cultural reactions, comparing linguistic taboos and expressiveness between cultures. We are going to discuss the key phrases by the team, including cazzo and boys, and the two words associated. Cazzo literally means stick, but contextually expresses surprise, frustration, and admirations. It has to post that cazzo has Latin origin or a Greek origin, but also it can be Germanic origin. So every word that you find in the Italian language, mostly of the words comes from Greek or Latin. Then we have the example. What does it mean? Che cazzo fai? What the hell are you doing? But it's not offensive. It's just if you take the words, it's a vulgar word, but in a certain situation is something that can release tension. For instance, also vaffanculo, that is commonly used jokingly about among friends, fostering camaraderie. Literally mean fuck off, in often in playful in tone, so most of the time is not considered offensive. Then there is the linguistic analysis. Expletives build team cohesion and release tension, as I said before. And then the Italian communication style thrives on expressiveness, so not only with colorful words, but we use most of the time maybe some gestures with the hands rather with the face or the expressions of the eyes. We try to amplify our way of communications. And then there is the phonetic analysis. Why are these expressions satisfying and memorable? So you've seen that viral clips are spreading the web, showcasing this language from the Luna Rossa Prada Pirelli team. There are also international reactions, how this language reshapes the perceptions of Italian culture, because even if it can be considered etymologically a vulgar word, the way we express is never aggressive, is kind of a mood, yeah. And so studying this phenomenon sheds light on language, and in a high stress situation demonstrates also the complex links between language, culture, and emotion. And yeah, definitely what is important that highlights the impact of global media. And it means that nowadays we are surveyed by microphone, camera, and any kind, in any situation. So it's useful also to see how a culture can react to this, in which way. And yeah, definitely. So, in other words, I just finish introducing this fascinating exploration into the colorful words of the Italian language. And so now I think really it's time for you to watch the CazzoBoy video from Luna Rossa Prada Pirelli. Keep on staying tuned. Simona Cochi, The Italian Way.
Better flavor.
Bravi ragazzi.
Bravi
cazzo.
Bravi cazzo boys. Vai.
Vai, Cazzo Boys.
Vai cazzo boys. Grandi. Yes. Bene. Bravi. Grande Umbi, grande. Anculo.
Faccina de grande.
Ragazzi, sulle bici siete dei mostri.
Bravissimi cazzo. Mi ammazzo oggi. Grande. Solo l'antipasto. Bravi.
Sign of a strong team, boys, when you can take that sort of pressure.
Yes.
Really good. Lot to build
Very
on.
strong sign. It's our field, so we can stop here.